A clogged heat exchanger can make a system overheat and trigger safety switches to shut the unit down. A heat exchanger transfers thermal energy from combustion gases to air or water without mixing the two flows. And when its passages restrict from soot, ash, or corrosion byproduct buildup, the restricted flow causes local hotspots and reduced heat transfer efficiency. That trapped heat raises metal temperatures above design limits and forces high-limit switches and flame rollout sensors to open to prevent fire or damage. To diagnose, visually inspect accessible surfaces for black powdery deposits and use a brush or vacuum to remove loose material. And for internal passage clogs, use a flexible tube brush and vacuum through access ports or consider professional chemical descaling for severe scaling. Verify venting integrity by checking that flue paths are unobstructed, that draft is adequate with a combustion analyzer or by measuring negative pressure near the draft hood, and that wind, bird nest, or rain cap blockages are cleared. Keep a seasonal maintenance schedule with annual combustion inspection and mid-season visual checks, and replace heat exchangers that show cracks, heavy pitting, or deformation because those indicate irreversible failure and risk of combustion gas leakage. Use only materials and cleaners rated for your equipment and follow manufacturer torque and reassembly sequences to avoid introducing leaks or misalignments. Common mistakes start with ignoring subtle performance drops because modest temperature rise or longer runtimes are easy to chalk up to weather. Fix this by tracking baseline runtime and noting deviations so you catch gradual clogging early. Another issue is attempting aggressive cleaning without isolating and protecting nearby sensors and wiring, which can damage components. Shut power, remove electrical connectors carefully, and recheck sensor alignments after cleaning. A third problem is overlooking venting and intake blockage as the source of overheating rather than the exchanger itself. Inspect both intake screens and vent terminals and clear obstructions before replacing expensive parts. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors for projects related to heating and ventilation and to share practical maintenance tips. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange experience and advice, and we help contractors find work by allowing them to participate and respond to homeowner questions.